everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. A very happy new year to all of you. 2025 will be great, and I hope all of you will achieve personal goals, professional goals, and I am also looking forward to achieve a lot of things this year. I am a firm believer of manifestation. I have tried different techniques like scripting, visualizing, but I have never tried vision board. So today I'm going to create a vision board for myself using a tool called Canva. It's a free tool. You can create videos, content for your Instagram, YouTube. So it's basically free and easy to use. So today I'm going to use it for my vision board. If you're all new to it and do not know how to use Canva for creating vision board, you should follow this video and see how to make a quick vision board for yourself in just about 10 minutes. Let's get started. So before starting a vision board, we need to be sure and be focused on what we need this year. So let's prepare a list of things we need. So I'm going to type my vision board 2025 and slowly think about what you really want to achieve. So number one I want to achieve is to have a fit body, meaning I want to get fit and I want to get into certain shape. I want to work out. So that is my first goal. Second one, I want to have more income, generate more sources of income. So yeah, I think it just goes on. List how many ever you want, but I recommend you to stick for 7 to 8 or less than 10, because you don't want to create a cluttery image and a cluttery vision board. Your images should speak to you. That is what my goal is. So now open Canva. This is what the dashboard looks like, and you have all the tools on the left hand side. Now you're going to search vision board and hit enter, and you will be seeing Canva templates are having like 20,000 templates. Oh my god, that's great. So you will see landscape, portrait, both kind of orientation. You can pick what you want, but you see there are pro as in the premium templates, so you need to pay for a few, but I am not going to use them. But it looks great aesthetically. This looks great. It has notes and it has smaller elements like a bling and everything. So yeah, it was good, but I'm going to look at something which fits my phone, and I am going to pick this one. This looks good to me, and also I think 7 to 8 images are good for me, so this looks perfectly all right. So I am going to replace the images which is in the placeholder, and with my first goal, fitness. So I'm looking for fitness women. You can find images in the elements and see in the left hand side. You can search for photos and see which photo resonates well with you. And yeah, I think this one is perfect. I loved it. So yeah, you can drag and drop inside the placeholder, and you can rearrange and double click and rearrange it to however you want. Yeah, this looks good to me. Now I'm going to search for my second item, that is more money. I want to have more income, so I'm searching relevant words, relevant topic, and searching for photos, and I'm going to search for picture which resonates my vision. So the next item is to find something like a working at home woman, because that is what I want. So I'm gonna pick something similar to my vision, and in fact this fits well for me. And yeah, go on and keep on adding relevant picture based on what you have noted in your notes. So the key of the vision board is to be very detailed vision. So if you're planning a trip, you should be very sure where you're going, what you want to see. Every little detail matters. Here I'm just adding some sticky notes and a little note about what the picture is, so it'll make it more personalized. That is how I like. But even if you do not have any texts on it, that's totally fine, that's up to you. But I really wanted to give a personal touch to it, so added few notes, and you can find little elements like that in this Canva. At the end, I have imported this to JPEG image and passed it on to my mobile, and this is how it looks. So hope you all enjoyed the video. If you want to try hands-on, you should visit Canva and get one vision board for yourself today, and let me know how it turned out to be. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.